Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of obtaining your backup code on Pinterest using your PC. This feature is essential for enhancing your account security, especially with the increasing importance of online safety. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see various options appear. Select Settings from this menu to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Security section on the left-hand side. Click on it to reveal additional security options that Pinterest offers. Now, here comes the crucial step. Look for the option labeled Get Backup Code. This feature allows you to generate a backup code that can be used if you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. Once you find it, click on Get Backup Code. Pinterest will generate a unique backup code for you. Make sure to write this code down or save it in a secure location. It's vital to keep this information safe because it will help you regain access to your account if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your backup code on Pinterest using your PC. Remember, having this code is an important step in safeguarding your account against unauthorized access. If you follow these steps, you'll ensure that your Pinterest account remains secure and accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and updates.